Hey guys, welcome back to eVivid Artistry. My name is Emily Artist, and today I wanted to kind of do a shorter tutorial. For the past couple weeks, I've been posting more review type videos. I had gotten these palettes and I just wanted to do some review videos just to get them kind of out of the way so that I could use them for actual tutorials. With that being said, I am not going to use any of those palettes that I reviewed on today. I'm going to be using the Zulu by Juvia's Place. This isn't a review, it's just a palette that I've used several times, and I really wanted to do a look with this palette specifically, just because I love all of the colors that are in there, and I wanted to do kind of like a sunset look today, as you guys can tell from the title of this video. So without further ado, let's get started. This is how my eyebrows are going to be today. So now that my eyes are ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the Zulu palette. I'm going to be taking this yellow shade on my super duper small Morphe brush, and I'm just going to be placing that on the inner corner of my eye and up and above my crease. So basically what I'm trying to do today is like an all over sunset smoky eye. Now I'm going to be taking this orange shade on the same flat brush, and I'm just going to be placing it right next to it, more toward the middle of the eye. I am now going to be taking this warm pinkish shade on the same flat brush, and I'm just going to be placing that right next to the orange shade and towards the outer corner. Then finally, I will be taking this purple shade in the bottom corner, and again with that same brush, I'm just going to be putting that right on the outer corner. I'm then going to layer all of the colors on top of each other again, and then taking a blending brush just to kind of make sure everything is nice and blended and nothing is harsh. Alright, so now that everything is blended nicely, I'm really loving how this is looking so far. It's definitely like a sunset dream. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and jazz it up a little bit. You can definitely put a wing liner if you want, or you can just leave it as it is, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to be taking my NYX Epic Wear in the color white, and I'm just going to do a cut crease with it and a nice wing with it as well. I'm not going to go across the lash line with it, but I'm just going to go up and over. And I apologize if me filming this part looks absolutely horrible, because I'm going to try and get up as close as possible to the camera, but also to my mirror, just so that I don't screw up. Going up really close to a mirror is the only way I'm going to be able to do it, so I'm so sorry if this part does not look that great, but you'll see the overall result and it will look great. Alright, so I finished up the eyeliner. It took me a little bit, not gonna lie. They are as symmetrical as I can make them. So symmetry is beautiful, yes, but they're sisters, not twins. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and when I come back, we're gonna finish up the eye look. Alright, so now that the rest of my face is done, it's nice and glowy, I'm just gonna go ahead and literally do the same thing that I did on the lid on the lower lash line. Alright, so now that the eyeshadow look is completely done, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara and lashes and lipstick on off camera, and when I come back it will be the final look. So this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out, and after I put on the lashes and the lipstick, I really feel like the look came together, and I think it's just so fun. I just really like how versatile this look can be and how simple and quick it is to do. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot that you guys tune in and watch any of my videos at all. Please comment down below on looks you would like to see me do on this channel or products that you would like to see me review, and also please subscribe to the channel. All of this does help me out so much, and again, it means so much that you guys even tune in and even watch and even engage in any of my videos, so it does mean a lot to me. So with that, I will see you all on the next one. Bye!